Hello again. This is a video of my canaries, and here I have Chicky. She already had 3 babies in the nest, and it seems like one egg it's not fertile. It should have hatched already. It's been 2-3 days, and I think it's past the time when I think it should hatch. So this is it's an opal mosaic yellow canary. I think that's how they call him, opal, because it's kind of grayish color with some yellow markings that look more like orangey, and it's also crossed with red factor, because her patches have been changing color as I've been feeding coloring food, or however you call it. And that one is my male canary. I call him Mika-Narito. And I know it sounds funny, and that's what I meant, because, well, my first language is Spanish, and Mika-Narito means my little canary. So these are my breeding couple, and they already had their first 3 babies, which are in a different cage, which is this one. They are very pretty, and the one here is kind of light brownish color. I call him cinnamon, and the one down there, it's pollito, which means little chick. And he was born with a problem. Her back toes point to the front, and he can't stand on the perches. But my spouse and I tried to fix his toes by tying him to the legs, and hopefully it's going to get better. It's actually improving in the last 10 days. Now he's moving easier, because he used to spend all the time lying on his belly on the grate. But now he's looking better. He's hopping a lot, and he's perching sometimes. Well, that's Pollito and Cinnamon. And here, this other one, he is gorgeous. We call him Sparrow. He kind of looks like a sparrow. And he has a yellow chest. And, well, I think this one is going to be a male, because he's trying to start singing. They are a little over a month old, and I already have home for them. One of my Facebook friends is going to take them in, at least those 2, Cinnamon and Sparrow. And Pollito is going to stay here with me until he gets better, and he's probably going to one of my spouse's co-worker. So those are my little canaries. Very cute. And that's it. Thanks for watching.